Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 408 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So this operation is relatively easy. First of all, start with the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and then let's enter the Play Store. If you do not have your Google account added to the device, you will have to log in right now and then simply tap on the circle which is your account. Then let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. And as you can see, this is the list of all installed apps, and in order to check the updates, we have to tap on this button, Updates Available. And as you can see, in my case, I've got 26 updates pending. Of course, if you want, you can mark all of the apps and update all of them, or you can simply pick particular apps. So let me pick, for example, the Gmail, the Google Chrome, and maybe Google Maps. If you are done, just tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and right now you have to wait, because as you can see, your device will download the updates and then automatically apply them to the apps. So just wait patiently. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.